The grill provides a decorative cover that allows air to flow into the bathroom fan. Over time, the grill can discolor or become dirty from dust in the air. It can be accidentally cracked while replacing the light bulb or during cleaning. Replacing the grill is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll start by removing the lens. The reflector and grill are secured with a nut. I'll go ahead and remove that. Now I can pull the reflector away from the grill and unplug it. And the grill will come away from the ceiling. Now I can install the new grill. I'll hold it in place, plug the lamp back in, place the reflector into the grill, and secure it with the nut. And I finish up by reinstalling the lens. And that's how easy it is to install a new grill on your bathroom fan.